Good evening, class. Good morning, class. Sorry. Today in this session, we are continuing with financial market, and the financial market will start with Security and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. SEBI was established by Government of India on 12th April 1988 as an interim administrative body to promote orderly and healthy growth of securities market and for investor protection. SEBI was to function under the overall administrative control of Ministry of Finance of the Government of India. The SEBI was given a statutory status on 30th January 1992 through an ordinance. Why SEBI was given a status? Because of Harshad Mehta scam. Harshad Mehta was a stockbroker, and he was the person. He played a vital role to crash the Indian market. He bought the maximum shares of ACC Cement, and after that, when there was a scarcity in the market, he started floating the share in the market, and the price of that share went to 3,000 at that time. And maximum people like Haldiram of Calcutta, they incurred a loss of 1 crore in a single day. So he was the person behind that scam, and after that scam, SEBI was given a statutory status on 30th January 1992. The ordinance was later replaced by the Act of Parliament known as Security and Exchange Board of India 1992. Now, reason for establishment of SEBI: the capital market have witnessed a tremendous growth during 1980. Till 1980, maximum people, the capital income was low. Maximum people, they were unaware of the stock market. They used to deposit their money in the bank in FDs, because at that time on FD the amount was doubled within 5 years or so. But after that, maximum people, when they came to know about the stock market, they started investing in the stock market. Now, expanding investor participation and the market capitalization led to a variety of malpractices on the part of companies, brokers, merchant bankers, investment consultants and others involved in the securities market. Now, the malpractices included non-adherence of provisions of the Companies Act, violation of rules and regulation of the stock exchanges and listing requirement, delay in delivery of share sector, because at that time online was not there. Internet was a dream at that time. Even a computer was a dream. Shares were in physical form. So there was a lot of malpractice over there. The government and the stock exchanges were helpless in redressing the investor problem because of lack of proper penal provisions in the existing legislation. Now, purpose and role of SEBI. The primary purpose of SEBI is to create an environment to facilitate efficient mobilization and allocation of resources through securities market, because household, they play a vital role in the security market. SEBI also aims to stimulate competition and encourage innovation. The environment includes rules and regulation, institutions and their interrelationships, instruments, practices, infrastructures and policy framework. The environment aims at meeting the needs of three groups, which are companies, they need money; the investors, the household or individuals or institutions; and the market intermediaries, they are middlemen. To the companies, it aims to provide a marketplace in which they can look forward to raising finance they need in an easy, fair and efficient manner. To the investor, it provides protection of their rights and interests through adequate, accurate and authentic information and disclosure of information on a continuous basis. Because if the investor loses the faith in the market, what will happen? Then our economy will crash. So to protect the investors, it provides protection. Then to intermediaries or middlemen, it offers a competitive, professionalized and expanding market with adequate and efficient infrastructure so that they are able to render better services to the investors and companies. And because of SEBI only, people like people like Rana Kapoor of Yes Bank, they were caught of malpractices. Or Harshad, after that Ketan Mehta was there in 1996. So maximum people, they are caught when they are indulging malpractices. So SEBI plays a vital role. Thank you.